According to CDC survey, 1 out of 5 children under the age of 5 years have at least one decayed tooth. Do you know what can be the reason for this? No, not just the chocolates, but even a milk bottle can cause decay in your child's teeth. Yes, you should never allow your baby to sleep with milk or juice bottle because these liquids contain sugar, and when liquid stays for long in the mouth, the bacteria in the mouth use the sugar from this liquid to make acids, and the acid destroy the teeth, causing cavities. This type of cavities are called early childhood caries or nursing bottle caries. It is seen in children under 5 years of age. ECC, that is early childhood caries, is often seen on the front teeth, but it can also affect other teeth. At first, it shows up as white spots near gum line, which can later turn into brown spots, holes, or even broken teeth. Early stage recognition can be helpful in preventing the tooth from further destruction. Decay in milk teeth should never be avoided because when the milk teeth continue to destroy, sometimes this decay can pass on to the successive permanent teeth, which is being developed below this one. The milk teeth are also important for speaking and chewing food until the permanent ones arrive. If the milk teeth shed off early, this can also cause the permanent teeth to come crooked or crowded. So it's important to save your child's milk teeth. Visit your dentist if you see any spots or discoloration. Treatment of ECC includes placing of tooth filling material to fill the cavities. But if the caries or the cavity is deep enough, that is close to the pulp of the tooth, the treatment will be pulpotomy or pulpectomy, that is removal of the infected pulp. Treatment also include extraction of teeth which are not preventable. And after extraction, the child will be provided with a space maintainer to prevent the adjacent teeth from falling into the space. And it also maintains the space for the permanent tooth to erupt. Early childhood caries can be prevented. Do not put your child to sleep with milk bottles. If your child does not sleep without a bottle, you can start diluting the milk with some water. You can increase the quantity of water every day for a few weeks until your child is only drinking water. You should adopt a healthy balanced diet for your child and limit sugary snacks and drinks. As the baby is born, start cleaning your baby's gum with a soft cloth and water. Once their first tooth erupts, use a soft toothbrush to clean that tooth. You should use a very small amount of toothpaste if your child is under 2 years of age. You should also teach your child to start drinking from cup as early as possible, preferably before they turn 1 year of age. Because by drinking with cup, liquid is less likely to pool around the front teeth, and the baby will also be spared of the habit of sleeping with the bottle.